What is up, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video, Stock Talk, where we talk stocks and crypto. And today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, since I haven't looked at it in a minute. Last time we took a look at it, we were right about this area, and I did indicate that we could have been potentially doing a Bart Simpson formation. So for those of you guys that don't know what exactly that is, it kind of looks like the top of Bart Simpson's upside down. So I said that we were potentially right here where we seen like the bottom of that formation. So like it kind of is almost like an inverted head and shoulders, but it's very ugly. So that's what I indicated right here. If I zoom in, you guys can see a little bit better that we actually wicked pretty dang low, and it almost did like a double tap on this previous bottom of that 15.5. It was this one hit like practically 15.5 too. So one thing I was indicating was that this could have been a descending triangle, and sometimes descending triangles actually pop up, and sometimes they pop down. We had two measure targets. The first one was at 14.1, which kind of lined up with this previous bear flag that we were waiting on for a long time to play out. Right here, when it hit here, we were like, hell yeah, it's gonna hit that price target, and then it curved up, and then I thought I got faked out. Kept the measure target there. It was still in play, and eventually we came all the way down to about 15.5, which is about a thousand and a half away from our target. So that was actually pretty close. I still do believe we should be hitting this price target, but if this pattern plays out, we may actually get pretty close to this EMA line and then get rejected, or even this previous resistance alone right here, which was support, is already a strong rejection alone, because we hit all the way down here, and then we created this as support. All these close taps, these were all close enough to hit these right here and this support, but eventually we broke down, and now we're under this zone, under this rectangle we got going on right here. The RSI, we are on the daily chart. The RSI is pretty dang high. So based on our previous patterns, we know that once we get this high, we start to curve all the way back down. And it's not just a small curve, we get pretty dramatic curves down. So for instance, if we take a look right here, we were at the peak right here. So let's just say 22,000 all the way down to 18,000. So that was about a 20% decline that we were right here. So if we take another look at this one, this peak, let's take a look at this peak. We can see we were at 32,000 and we fell all the way down to 29,000, which was a 10% decline. So there you guys go. So those are just indications on about how much downwardness we can see. So about a 10 to 15 to 20% decline from where we're currently at, which is we're at 17k. Let's put 17k. 10% would be 1.7k. 1.7k from right now would take us to 15.1. So we would get real close to this right here. And let's just say it takes 20%. 20% would be 3,200. 3,200 from this would take us down to 13k. It would take us to this measured target right here. So that's pretty crazy. This measured target is coming based off fruition. And back in November or December, off this humongous head and shoulders we got right here from a long time ago, I was calling this out way back in November, December. And since I was kind of new to this YouTube stuff, and I didn't get no views, I didn't get nothing. But I swear I done called it out, and I was calling out a 14k Bitcoin and a 32k Bitcoin. I was calling both of those out. These were my two major call outs when we were still like way over here and way over here. But anyways, this is our measure target was 14.5k. And if we see a 20% decline like we have in these previous RSI patterns, or 15% declines. Let's just say 15% would take us. How much is 15% from this? 17. That'd be about another 800. So that's like 25. So 25 minus that'd be 14.5, 14.4. So even a 15 to 20% decline would take us exactly to our measure targets. Either this bull flag that we see right here. I mean, excuse me, this bear flag that we see right here. This huge bear flag, and then this huge head and shoulders that's still yet to be completed. So that's pretty crazy. We got those measure targets, and then if we take a look at the super long term upward trend line, it looks like we may tap right around here. So it looks like about January. Nah, probably yeah, probably around Christmas through January we'll see that bottom. Christmas through January we'll see a 14.5K um Bitcoin based off the RSI. But things could actually, I mean, things could pop up, things could just rally up. We could do a Bart Simpson. I had it here for about a week now, and we've just been waiting to see if this is going to play out. But we know overall we were playing out a descending triangle. So that was exactly what we were waiting for, this descending triangle. But looks like it wants to fake us out. It wants to fake us out. And in previous patterns, I don't really have it on this chart, but on another Bitcoin chart, I know that I was um, pointing out previous fake outs from descending triangles we've seen, but I don't want to waste too much time trying to find it. But back to this descending triangle, it could either break up all the way to the 18.9K, or we're going to go all the way down to at least the 14, or we'll hit the 12K. 12K if we take a full measurement of this whole drop. If we take a full drop, this measurement will take us to right here about 12K. And if we just take a measurement of the triangle itself, just a triangle, that would take us to about 14.1, which we did the math on these previous dips from the RSI, and they're giving us about a 10 to 20%, somewhere in between, roughly, percent decline once we hit these really high RSIs. So in my opinion, I would just wait on purchasing or doing a short or doing a long on Bitcoin. But that's exactly what I'm seeing right now based off math, based off previous patterns. I'm not a financial advisor, do everything based on the dealings, only invest what you want to lose. So pretty much that's gonna end up wrapping the video. And hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, go ahead, leave some thumbs up. Put some comments down below on what other cryptos you guys want me to read, or even stocks. I do stocks as well. So let me know. Put it down in the comments below. It's your boy Leo. I'm out. Peace.